So now let's see how we can work around with custom light flares and gleam effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip right here, and in order to add in custom light flare, I'm going to go around under the effects menu right here. And once I do that, over here under lights and flares, you can see that custom light flares is an option. If I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to go around under options right here, then you can see that you can go around and choose different light flares as you like right here. And that is why it is custom light flares. You can go around and choose different things like core spot right here. So you can go around and enable and disable different layers, as you can see right here. And work around with the settings of the brightness and the flare size right here. You can also go around and change around the color of the flare as per how you like it and press OK. And so the background as well for how it will see. So I'm just going to go around and press apply, and this is what you have, and you can go around, move this wherever you want, as you can see. And over here you can go around and change out around the center, the intensity, as you can see right here, and the scale over here just like this as well for the light flare. And you can go around and choose around the screen mode right here, like you can add, you can go around over here and then use screen and so forth right here and get the effect that you want. So over here there's global right here, so you can go around and change around the color of the effect, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And you can go around, change around the saturation, you can change around the hue shift as well, just like this, and change around the hotspot, like you can change around the brightness, as you can see right here, choose the color over here just like this, and work around with the scale just like this as well. And change around the other elements, like let's say for example brightness, and choose around the other colors as you like, just like this right here. Press OK, and then change around the scale over here just like this as well. So once you do that, you can see that you can go around, click and drag around and change around the lens flare according to how you want right here. And you can customize it according to how you like. Another effect that you have is the gleam effect. So if I were to go around and keep that in, then you can see that I have this gleam effect right here. So you can go around and choose around the point over here just like this. So for the gleam effect, you can go around, choose around the rays length, as you can see right here, and then change around the intensity of the gleam as well. Apart from that, you can change around the minimum value, as you can see right here, and the maximum value of the gleam. And you can change around the quality of the gleam as well, so you can make it really low so it seems much more pixelated. Then you can go around and increase out the value as well. You can go around and change around the blend effect of the gleam as well, just like this, according to how you want. So you can go around and screen it and so forth. If I were to go around onto position, you can change around the position of this as well, and then work around with the colorization option as well and choose the color that you want, like let's say for example blue right here, so that the gleam effect is blue. And you can go around and change around the intensity as well. And that is how you can work around with the custom light flares and gleam effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.